Myself Navyashri VS. I'm a nurse and I have a dream of doing a nurse job in Germany. So for this, I have researched myself a couple of agencies, which is like language institutes and recruitment agency. In that process, I just came across the agency called Lanstitute. And when I contacted them, they have responded very quickly and they've cleared all my doubts as soon as possible, and they were in touch with me until I just go and meet them in person. Okay, why I choose Lanstitute means I am looking for a agency or a institute which is results driven and which will help us in empowering our personal growth and as well as professional growth. So this Lanstitute is a very good platform if you are looking for a very good professional growth. Here they are providing language training along with recruitment process also. So when I joined here, I used to get stipend also. That is a additional benefit here. So I used to get stipend for 4 months. That is, each month I used to get 10,000, which helped me financially to stay back here, and also it motivated me to learn further and to push myself to put some more hard work. Since the day one, our tutors here so helpful, and also here the staff, they were so helpful in all the manners, like in the German language training, and also if we have any queries regarding our recruitment process or regarding our learning process or related to any other situation during the learning stage, they would come up with a solution. And our mentor is Mr. Dhananjay. Dhananjay sir helped us a lot, and he is a very good faculty. He gave me immense support for all of us. So that's why we are able to clear our B1 exams so easily. And I would say thanks to Dhananjay sir. Here in the Lanstitute, they will provide us the training or screening before you attending any interview. Same way, I also got the training and also the screening for before attending my interview sessions. So which helped me to overcome my nervousness, and also whatever the fears I was having for attending the interviews, it helped me a lot. So if I want to tell in a one word about the Lanstitute, I can definitely choose a transformative or empowering institute, so which will obviously guide you further in a professional life. If you are a nurse looking for a job in Germany, then you have to definitely choose Lanstitute. Here there is so much more benefits choosing Lanstitute. So I can say this is a best option to choose. So go for it.